Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bilqeesah Sadeeq. If you're new here, well, welcome. I'm going to wait for you while you click the subscribe button down below here or here, wherever it is. Just click it and I'm going to wait for you while you do that. I'm pretty sure you're done now. And don't forget to click the bell button there so you know whenever I upload a video, it will notify you. So today we're going to be making lemonades. Yep. I'm going to show you guys 3 ways you can make your lemonade. And so all you're going to need is hibiscus tea. This is just boiled and this is the hibiscus leaf, as you can see. So I boiled it and it's still hot, but yeah, we're going to cool it down. So you need ice, squeezed lemon, this is 1 lemon, ginger, this is a cup, and 1 cup of sugar, and oranges. So let's start. Ready. Now I'm going to just put this in the fridge for like 20 minutes, then serve it. So this is ready, obviously. I'm going to pour it in here. Yeah. So let's try it. This is amazing. Alright, for the next one, all you're going to need is squeezed lemon juice, fresh ginger. I blended it and then strained it out, and ice, water, and that's sorry, honey. You need honey, so I prefer to use honey. Actually, you could use sugar. What else is there to use? Sweetener, anything. Anyway, I'm using 4 tablespoons of honey. So this has been in the fridge for 5 good minutes, and we're going to serve. Let's try this. Oh, I love this, guys. My favorite food. So anything that has to do with lemon, I'm all in. So let's go to the next one. Okay, for this one you guys are going to need peach, fresh peach, chopped already, water, half cup of sugar, lemon juice. This is like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and we're going to blend it. Okay, so we're going to strain this. You can take this like this, but I prefer mine smooth, so I'm going to strain it. I'm going to let this sit in the fridge for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to serve it. It has been 10 minutes and this is out. So let's serve it. Let's taste this. I love this. I could taste the lemon, even though it was very little. I could still taste it. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, we're back. So for this one, you're going to need watermelon, 1 lemon juice, and that's all, and a blender. So we're going to blend this. You're wondering why am I blending it with the seed? By the way, you can blend it with the seed. It's medicinal. If you want to know what it does, comment down below and let me know. Ask your question and I'll reply you an answer. So you need water for the blender, just a little water because the watermelon is so watery. Usually watermelons are so watery, so you don't want to add so much water and end up with watery watermelon. You can either serve it like this or strain it. I'm going to strain it. Sorry. Alright, so these are all the drinks, and for the last one I thought I should do something else. This, I thought I should mix all the drinks together in a cup and let's see how it turns out to be. I'm pretty sure it's going to be great because all the drinks are amazing, so why not? Mint first. Let's taste this. This is amazing. So guys, there you have it. Try those at home. Let me know what you think and comment down below. Subscribe, comment, like, share. Thank you. I think we're safe to say those are mocktail, not lemonade anymore. We've graduated to mocktail. Yes. Alright, bye. See you guys on my next video.